Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most famous cartoon characters of all time, SpongeBob SquarePants. He's funny, kind-hearted, and has been entertaining fans for over 2 decades. But one question has sparked debate for years. Is SpongeBob gay? Let's break it all down. SpongeBob is the main character of the hit Nickelodeon animated series SpongeBob SquarePants, created by marine biologist and animator Steven Hillenburg. The show, which premiered in 1999, follows SpongeBob's adventures in the underwater city of Bikini Bottom, where he works at the Krusty Krab and lives a life full of fun, laughter, and friendship. The conversation around SpongeBob's sexuality started years ago due to his affectionate and playful personality, especially his close friendship with Patrick Star. Some fans interpreted their bond as romantic. The debate grew louder after Nickelodeon's 2020 Pride Month post, which included SpongeBob in a lineup of LGBTQ+ characters, leading many to believe the network had confirmed his sexuality. The show's creator, Steven Hillenburg, addressed the topic back in the early 2000s. He explained that SpongeBob was not gay, but also not straight. He described him as asexual, meaning he doesn't experience sexual attraction. This makes sense scientifically too, since SpongeBob is a sea sponge, and real-life sponges reproduce asexually. Nickelodeon later clarified that SpongeBob is a symbol of inclusion and positivity, and his 2020 Pride post was meant to celebrate diversity, not to label him as gay. So, is SpongeBob gay? No, SpongeBob isn't gay. Officially, he's asexual, according to his creator. His kindness, enthusiasm, and loving personality have always been about friendship and acceptance, not romance. That's part of what makes him such an iconic and universal character loved by fans of all ages. SpongeBob's story reminds us that not every character or person needs to fit into a specific box. He's a symbol of joy, friendship, and positivity. Whether he's flipping Krabby Patties, jellyfishing with Patrick, or spreading good vibes, SpongeBob continues to represent love and acceptance in all its forms. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into your favorite pop culture icons.